Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Tuesday, May 24th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, guys, we did not take this long that I was talking about because it was right at the open. In hindsight, obviously, that would have been a beautiful trade to take. We did not take it. Market's up here about 20-25 points. We did have 2-3 crude trades, one with an add-on. One I actually called off because I thought we were going to get into this ES trade, and I shouldn't have. I told people if they want to stay into it, it's just a bonus. I'm not going to count it either way, but we were clearly in this at 78 short. So the first trade we had was a long understanding trade at 8:39 Central Standard Time. Told everybody that should go up. 48.31 should make at least 10 pennies. We had a hard target there, and that's about what it did. Market came back down again. I said if you went minus 10, it stayed in the trade. People were in. You could have added here. A lot of people were out. So I said over here there's a new entry to get long. 43, and that one went up. And all of our targets, we had a target here at 64, and then we had a target at 69, 70, 76, and then up here at 92. So when this candle happened, I told everybody if this gets above, if it gets to 61, it could see 79. Let's see what happens. It shot up there, closed above our 76, and then I said at this point your 91 is going to be on the table. So far that's been the high of the crude. So really you could have gotten anything from 42 with an add-on at 61 all the way up to 99. So just a beautiful trade in crude. Two trades, this one and then this one's really just well, actually, no, this power play, actually, when it came back up here, we didn't take it over here. This one it could have been a new entry as well. So some people did take that as a new entry. So 3 in crude, actually. And then when it hit our target here and came down, we were looking at a trade here. We actually got into this at 48.78. And over here, and I told everybody, it's probably going to come down. If it got below 59, it would probably come into the circle area, okay, which again was there the whole time. We were looking at an ES trade, and it's one of those things you wish you probably didn't do, but I actually got him out of this trade. I said if you want to stay in, it's valid. It's a perfectly valid trade. I try to avoid people being in multiple trades at the same time. And called off this one to get us into the ES, which wasn't really ideal, but there are people who prefer the crude and they stayed in the crude, and you'll see that was a beautiful trade. That was an RS, but 80% of the people were out of it. And then in the ES, we missed this up move. We were in the crude. Again, don't like to have people in multiple trades if I can avoid it. We tried to get short here at 70. We added at 72. And as you see, when it came down here, I actually stayed a little late. I said, just get out, lose a tick. If you want to stay with the trade, you can stay with it. But everybody really needs, should be flat by the time I close the room. But I said, if you want to stick with it, see if it can push down. That's fine. This would have been a tick or two loser here. Also, a lot of people did not take this trade. Because I said if you didn't get a decent amount of this, or if you couldn't go small, this is a minimum 2 contract trade. I said if you can't go small on that, meaning you're a 4 contract trader or higher, you weren't even in this. But even if you were, you lost a tick or two. We had to close the room, and this may very well come down still. Who knows? But it's lunchtime, so. We just got out of the trade. We can't worry about a tick or two. That was the day. So we're going to come back again and do it tomorrow. Until then, guys, everybody have a great day and safe trading.